Note that this is the penetration technique and method of TIG welded pipes. TIG welding can be understood here as a welding method that can be tested by flaw detection, and there are many conditions that need to be completed if you want to pass the flaw detection test, among which the biggest problem is penetration. If you want to achieve perfect penetration, you must know the difference between weld pool penetration and non-weld penetration. The process of welding in this diagram is divided into root welding, 1 filling, 2 filling, cover welding, and the most important thing is that the root weld is not melted and 1 filling weld has it being welded through. If the filling is carried out without the surface of the root weld melting, a gap will be created between the weld layers, and the film inspection will not pass. Here's a demonstration of what an unsoldered penetrating pool looks like. It can be seen that this kind of problem is often due to the large thickness of the base metal, the small or large current, and the fast welding speed, which causes the molten pool to be not deep enough, and it is not possible to melt the surface of the bottom weld, thus increasing the possibility of gaps. To prevent this problem, we need to find the right welding current and welding speed for the thickness of the base metal. In addition to this, the size of the electrode is also a factor to consider, so let's do another error demonstration. This time it was welded like this, and you could see that the surface of the primer weld was still not melted, and there was too much filling, because this can happen when the electrode is too thick, or the weld pool is too much compared to the groove supply. Another reason for this problem is when the welding position is not good, such as downhill welding. In order to prevent these mistakes, we use the appropriate current and welding speed for the base metal when welding. Select the electrode size based on the size of the groove and the welding position. Next is the proper demo. After welding, you can see the changes that occur at the bottom end and both sides of the molten pool. That's it when the weld is well penetrated. When you understand this method, you will be able to better deal with welding when it comes to flaw detection. As the old saying goes, the method is not necessarily the right answer, but it is also one of the methods that can be applied in this situation. That's all for this video. If you think the video is useful, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.